Welcome to Review Source. If you're lining up walls, setting tile, hanging cabinets, installing shelves, or working on detailed layouts where accuracy really matters, this video's for you. Today, we're covering the top 5 best laser levels, chosen for their visibility, precision, durability, and real-world usability. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Let's get started. Starting at number 1, the Bosch 360-degree level. The Bosch 360-degree level is built for people who need clear lines, strong visibility, and flexibility across different job sites. The green beam is bright and easy to see, even in well-lit rooms, and it projects full 360-degree lines so you can align walls, ceilings, and floors without constantly moving the tool. One of the big advantages here is range. It works up to 200 feet on its own and can stretch even farther when paired with a receiver. That makes it useful for both indoor work and larger spaces. The VisiMax system helps manage power so the lines stay visible without draining the battery too fast. You can also control it through the Bosch app, which is a nice touch when you don't want to walk back and forth to make adjustments. Battery flexibility is another plus, since it can run on a rechargeable pack or standard AA batteries. This makes it practical for long projects where charging access may be limited. Users often say this is the best laser level they've used, praising the visibility and accuracy. Battery life and price get mixed reactions, but overall, people trust it for professional work. If you want a dependable, high-end laser level that handles serious jobs, this Bosch is hard to beat. Next up, at number 2, the Klein Tools 93 LC-LGR level. Klein designed this one with job site versatility in mind. It throws bright green horizontal, vertical, and plumb lines that are easy to see on most surfaces, and it self-levels quickly, so you're not wasting time adjusting. The magnetic mounting bracket is a standout feature. It rotates fully and attaches securely to metal, ceiling grids, or tripods, which makes setup simple whether you're working on walls, ceilings, or framing. This flexibility helps speed up layout work without extra accessories. The rechargeable battery lasts a long time, so you can get through a full workday without worrying about it dying halfway through. It also alerts you if it's not level, which helps avoid mistakes before they become problems. The build feels solid and made to handle job site bumps. Customers like how sturdy it is and say it's easy to use, especially for installations. Visibility feed depth is mixed in bright sunlight, but indoors it performs very well. This is a strong choice if you want something durable, flexible, and easy to set up.
At number 3, the DEWALT 5-beam laser. This one is all about precision and durability. The DEWALT 5-beam projects multiple points, which makes it great for framing, track installation, and layout work where exact alignment is critical. The micro-adjust knob lets you fine-tune your lines without shifting the whole tool, and the locking pendulum protects the internal components when it's not in use. That's helpful if you're moving between rooms or transporting it in a truck. The built-in magnetic bracket makes mounting quick, and the rugged housing is designed to take a bit of abuse on busy job sites. The laser points stay sharp and focused, which helps with accuracy over distance and keeps layouts consistent. Many users say it's extremely high quality and easy to set up, especially for cabinets and interior projects. Brightness feedback is mixed depending on lighting, but accuracy gets a lot of praise. If you're doing framing or layout work and want something tough and reliable, this DEWALT is a solid pick. Moving on to number 4, the Huepar LS04CG level. The Huepar LS04CG stands out for coverage. It projects 4 full 360-degree planes, which means you can handle ceiling lines, floor lines, and vertical alignment all at once. That's a big time saver for tile work, cabinetry, and full room layouts. The lifting base is useful when you're working over uneven surfaces, and the dual batteries mean you can keep going without waiting around for a recharge. Charging is flexible too, since you can use a wall adapter, power bank, or even a laptop, which is convenient on job sites. Huepar also backs this model with strong warranty support, which gives extra peace of mind. The build feels solid and made for repeated use. Users often mention how bright and accurate the lines are, even in well-lit spaces. Outdoor visibility gets mixed feedback, but indoors it performs very well. If you want maximum coverage and long runtime in one tool, the LS04CG is a great option.
Finally, at number 5, the CIGMAN CM-SO2 level. The CIGMAN CM-SO2 is packed with modern features. It projects 4 360-degree planes, giving you full room coverage for ceilings, walls, and floors. What makes it different is the app control, which lets you adjust lines, brightness, and modes from your phone. That's really useful when you're across the room or working alone. The battery lasts a long time, and having 2 rechargeable batteries means you can swap and keep working without delays. It also offers self-leveling, manual, and pulse modes, so you can adapt to different lighting conditions or extend the range when needed. The design feels sturdy and well-built, and the interface is simple to learn. Customers often say it performs as well as or better than more expensive brands. Brightness, accuracy, and ease of use get a lot of positive feedback. If you like tech-friendly tools with flexibility and strong performance, this one is worth a look. And that wraps up the top 5 best laser levels. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Review Source, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tool picks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.